Hey everybody, this is the Vacuum Doctor. Quick video here today. I'm going to show you how to change over the filters. Seems obvious, but a lot of people that have never used a Dyson before won't know how to use it. So, when we have a Dyson vacuum, most of them will come with filters. This right here is a filter. This is a V11 to be exact. When we want to change over the filter is when we start hearing. Do you hear how the airflow is blocked? It means it needs washing. If the fabric around here if it's too hard, not soft, throw it out, go buy a brand new one. Okay, so to take it off, anti-clockwise, left, and it'll twist off like so. You see it's very dirty, okay? It's still soft. We're going to chuck on another filter. It's been cleaned and sounds much better. And to put it back on, it's just a clockwise motion. You can see on the screen, it all works.